University Maths has closed book exams, so what does that mean? At least at my uni, Leeds Uni, as a maths student, we have some open book exams. And what that normally means is that in the exam, you're allowed to take in one piece of paper, A4 double-sided, that you can write notes on. What this does is basically any formulas that you'd have to memorize, you don't have to, you can just write them down. And that's because some of the formulas we're going to be using at university level maths are going to be really massive and complicated and difficult to just like memorize. We're a lot more interested in whether you can apply the content rather than if you can just memorize things like you would have to at GCSE and A level. And in that way, it gets a lot more interesting, a lot more about problem solving. It doesn't necessarily mean that the exams are going to be easy. So think about it. If I sat you down for an A level maths exam, I gave you a past paper, but I also gave you the textbook. It doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to get 100% in, because it's not just about regurgitating information, it's about being able to apply the content and solve problems. The textbook wouldn't even necessarily be that helpful.